Alrighty, now to come on the certified automatic lift, 14,000 pounds. You do have to have air to let it down. Does not have to have air to raise it up. But when you take it away from the, you make sure it's down before that compressor leaves here. All right, now to come on high with the video. We're online. We got 32, 35. 32, now we come on, how about about 35, how about 37, how about 7, how about 7, 35, 37, now we come on the floor, 35, about 37, 35, 3700, now we come on, how about 35, 37, 35, 36, 35, about 35, how come on, how about 3600, 35, 36, 37, 7, now we come 9, 39, 39, now we come on, 4,000, 4,001, 41, now we come on, 2, 2, 2, now we come 3, 43, 4, now we come 4, now 5, 4,500, now we come 6, 46, 7, 47, come 7, come 8, now we come 8, 9, 49, 49, now we come 5,000, now we come 1, 5, come 2, 52, 53, 53, 54, now we come 5, 55, 56, 5,600, now we come 70, come 70, 8, 8, 8, now we come 5,800, 57, now we come 5, 7, 8, 57, now we come 9, 59, 59, Josh, one more time, 59, 6 down, 59, we come 6, 59, we come 6, 59, we come 6, 59, 6, 59, we come 6, 59, we come 6, 6 down, so 59, put it on number. 59 on 59. There, you worked that out just right, didn't you? Thank you. All right, on the Honda 4-track, got 86 miles on it, 57 hours. It's the 15 model, but it is like brand new. All right, now got a title for it. So ask for the title when you go get in there to pay for it. Tax exempt. 35, about 36. 35, how come on, about 3,600, now come on, about 35, 36, 37, 37, now give 8, now give 8, now give 8, now give 8, 38, $3,700, now give 8, 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 38, 37, 38, Josh, now give 8, 37, now give 8, 37, now give 8, now give 8, now give 8, 37, now give 8, now give 8, 37, 3,800, 3,800, 37, now give 8, now give 8, now give 8, 37, 38, Josh, you in, right? 37, 37, 37, how about about 7, about 7, I thought you said yes. 37, 37, wait a minute then, we got 3,500 online, 36, 35, 36, 35 online, 36, 37, now Samuel, 37, 36, how about 7, 7, how about nope, 36, 37, now give on 7, 36, 37, now give on 7, $3,600, now give on 7. So 36, put it on number 59, 59. All right, on the draw bar, now give on broadcaster. All right, now give on $30, 35. $30, now give about 35, how give about $30, 35, $30, now give about $30, now give about $30, 35, $30, now give about 35, give on how give about 35, $30, now give about 35, give about 35, 35, how give about 35, give about 35, 30, 40, now 5. $40, give on 5, give on 5, give on $40, 45, give on 8, give on done. $40, 45, 5, give on 5, give on 5, give about 50, 45, give on 50, 45, give on 50, 45, 50, 45, 50, give on 5, 55, give on 5, give on 55, $50, now give on 5, never give on 5, never give on 5, $50, now give on 5, give on 55, 60, 55, how give about $60, now give on 5, give about 55, how give about 65, $60, now give on 5, give about 65, $60, now give on 5, give about 65, $60, give on 5, $60, give on 5, $60, give on 5, give on 5, give on 5, give on 5. Sold $60, 502, 502. All right, here we go on the International. On the 3688, If you looked at the catalog, if you looked in there online, it told you what all had been done. There was about $11,000 or $12,000 spent on that tractor. Tractor sounds great. It's ready to go. Runs fine. So make sure that you checked it out. But everybody that's been on that tractor's liked it pretty well. All right. Here we go. Now to give 18, now to give 18, now to give 17, 16, 15. Now to give 14, 4, 14, 6. 14, 4, now to give it, now to give 14, 600. 14, 4, now to give 6. 14, 4, 14, 6. I got 14, 4 on line. 14, 6. 14, 6, 14, 8. Now to give 8. Now to give 15. Now to give 2. 15, 2. 15, 4. 15, 2, and 4. I'm on the floor at 15, 2, 4. 15, 2, now to give 4. 15, 2, 15, 4. 15, 2, 4, 6. 15, 6, 15, 8. Now to give 8, now to give 8, now to give 8, 15, 8. You say it, sir. 15, 8. 16, thou. 16, 2. Now to give 2. 16, 2. 16, 4. Now to give 6. 16, 6. Now to give 16, 6. 16, 6. 16, 8. Now to give 8, now to give 8, now to give 8, 16, 8. Now 17. Now to give 17, now 2. 17, but about 2. 17, but about 2, but about 2, but about with you guys over here. 17, now 2. 17, but about 2, but about 2, but about you were the first man in the gate this morning. 17, now 2. 17 on the floor, now to give 2, 2. Now to give 2. 17, but about 2. 17, but about 2, last and final call. 17, but about 2, but about 2, but about 2, but about 2. 17, but about 2. 17, but about 2, but about 2, but about in, all done 2. Sold $17,000 and put it on number 83. Number 83 going to Flintstone. All right, here you go, Brian. Got a sheet. All right. Right over there. Yeah. All right, we got the Case 8095 International tractor. If you need to know anything about that tractor, ask Eddie Potts or Josh. One of them spent one day on it, and the other one spent the next day on it. But it does run. Josh, did you see anything special wrong with it or anything? Okay.
Well, we use
it to move stuff around here.
Hours.
Not showing hours. Not showing any hours on it. All right, now to come on, how to get now here. Now to get now bomb 92, 95. 92, now to get now 95, to get 96, now to get 6, now to get 98, 10,000. 10,000, daughter, now to get 10, 10, now to get 10, 10, 2, now to get 2, now to get 2. 10, 2, now to get 2, but to get 4. 10, 2, 10, 4. 10, 2, 4, you got it. Now to get 4, but to get 8, now 11,000. 10, 8, 11,000. 10, 8, now to get 11, to get 11, now 2, 2. 11, 2, 11, 4. 11, 2, now to get 4. 11, 2, now to get 4, now to get 4, but to get 4, but to get 11, 2. I'm on 11, 6. 11, 8. 11, 8. Now to get 8, now to get 11, 6. Now to get 8, but to get 8, but to get 8, 11, 8. 11, 6, 11, 8. Now to get 8, but to get 11, 6. Now 11, 8. I got 11, 6. 11, 8. 11, 8. 12,000. 12,000, 2. Now to get 2. $12,000. Now to get 2, but to get 2, but to get 12,000. Now 2. $12,000, 2. Now to get 2. $12,000, now 2. $12,000, now to get 2, but to get 2, but to get all down, but to get all done. 12, 2, 4, 6. 12, 4, now to get 6. 12, 4, 12, 6. 12, 4, now to get 5, but to get 6. 12, 4, 12, 6. Now to get 6. Now to get 6. 12 and 4, 12 and 6. 12 and 4, now to get 6. Last call. Sold 12, 4. 12, 4 on number 6, 6, 9. Going to Kingwood. Kingwood. All right, now to get I'm here. We got the International 1066. Seems to run fine as far as we can tell. The TA's fine in it. So it's ready to go. Now to get 10,000, 10, 2. $10,000, now to get 2, 2. Now to get 4, 10, 2, 10, 4. 10-2, now give on 4, 10-2, 10-4. Now give on 4, sir. 10-2, 10-4. 10-2, now give on 4. 10-2, 10-4, 6. Now give on 6. 10-6. Now give on 6. 10-6, 10-8. Now give me 10-6. Now give me 10-8. 10-8, 10-6, 10-8. Now give me 10-8, 10-6, 10-8. 10-6, now give me 8. Now give me down on the floor. 10-6, 10-8. 10-6, now give me 10-6, 10-8, 11, 11-2. $11,000 2. 11, now give on 2, give on 2, give on 2, 2. Now give it 2, 11-2. 11-2. $11,000, now give on 2, give on 2, give on 11, 11-2. 11,000, 11-2. All in, all done. Now give 2, give on 2, give on 2. Last call. $11,000, now give 2-4. 11-4. 11-4. 11-4, sir. Now give 6. 11-4. 11-6. 11-4. Now give it 5, give on 6. David, if you want in, you better be getting in. 11-4. 11-6. 11-4. Now give on 6. 11-4. Now give on 6. So, 11-4 on the floor right here, and that number is 11. Number 11, thank you. All right, on the internet, Case International, 685. Showing 3,633 hours. That little tractor seems to run fine. All right, now to give me no bomb, 62, 64. 62, now to give me no power, to give on 4, 4. Now to give me no power, to give on 2, 4. 62, 64. 62, now to give on 4, 6, 8. 66, now to give me 7,000, 72. 7,000, now to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 2, 72. $7,000, 72. 7,000, now to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 7, 7, now to give on 2. $7,000 now 2. $7,000 now to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 2. 7,000 now 2. $7,000 now to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 2. 7,000 2. 7,000 2. 7,000 72, 74, 72. Now to give on 4. 74, 70. I'm on the floor at 72. Mark's got to be 74. 72, 73, 73, 73. Now to give on 3, 3. Now to give it a 3, Mark. Now to give it a 3. Now to give on 3. 72, 73. Now to give it a 5. To give on 72, 73, 72, 73, 72. But to give on, ever to give on, ever to give on, to give on 3, ever to give on 3. So 7,200 number 21. Number 21. All right, on the John Deere 2150. On the John Deere 2150, now to give on here. I got 94, 96. 94, now to give it 9,600, now to give on 95, to give on 6. $9,400, $9,600, now to give on 94, 9,600, 94, now to give on 6. Now, wait a minute. Brian, I think they told us yesterday, but I think there's a wire broke. It is in four-wheel drive, and it's in four-wheel drive, and somebody said there was a wire broke. But that's what's causing the problem. Got 94, 96. 94, now to give it 5, to give on 5, huh?
What did you say, the four-wheel drive?
The four-wheel drive is in four-wheel drive, and it won't come out because there's a wire broke is what we were told. Now, if it's more than that, it's more than that. 94, 96. 94, now to give on 9,600, now to give it 6. 94, 96, now to give on 6. 96, 94, 96, now to give on 6. So, 94, 705. 9,400, 705. There you go, Jack. All righty. On the 766. All right, that tractor, the only thing we can tell you, as far as we know, the TA is working. It runs, starts up ever since we've been coming over here. Got brand new batteries in it. Brand spanking new batteries in it. All right, now to give on 68, 7,000. 7,000, 72, 74. Now to give on 4, 4. Now to give it 2, to give on 4, to give on 72, 4. 72, now we on 5, it might have an old leak or two, I think. 72, 74, 72, now we on 4, now we on 72, 74, 72, 74, 76, 74, now we on $7,600, now we on 74, 76, 78, 76, 78, 76, 78. I'm on the floor, now we 76. 7,800, 76, 78, now we 76, now we 78, 78, 78, 76, 78, 76, now we 76 on the floor, now we 76, 78, now we all in, now we all done, now we 8, 78, 8 down, 8 down. 8,000. Don't let him do that to you. 8,000.
8,000.
Now to give 8,000. To give 8,000. To give 8,000. To give 8,000. 8,000. 8,000. 2. Now to give 82. Now to give 8,000. He's in. Now to give 82. To give 82. To give 8,000. Now to give 82. Now to give 82. Now to give 82. Now to give 82. 8,000. 2. Sold 8,000 right here. And 8,000 and that number, sir. I'm sorry. 34. All right, on the John Deere 2240 with loader. All right, no visible iron meter showing. All right, now to come on, how to get no bomb. Now to come on to get 6,000, 62. $6,000, now to come on, how to get about 2, 2. Now to come on, 2, 62. $6,000, now to come on, 2, but to come on, 2, but to come on, 2, 2. Now to come on, 62. $6,000, now to come on, 2, but to come on, 2, but to come on, 62. 6,062. 6,062. $6,000, now to come on, how to get about 2, 2. Now to come on, 2. 6,062. $6,000, but to get 2, but to give on, but to give all done. Now to give it the bomb 2. 6,062 on the 2240. 6,000, now to give it the 2, but to give on 2, but to give on 2, but to give on 2. $6,000, now to give on 2. $6,000, but to give 2, but to give 2, but to give 2, but to give 2, 2. 6,062. Sold 6,705. 705. All right, now to give out 60 on International 544. Starts, runs, drives, hour meters broken. Needs a new set of tires on her, guys. All right, now to give out, to give it here 26, 27. $2,600, now to give out, now to give out 7, 7, now to give it to 7, now to give it, now to give it 9, 29, 3. 29, now to give out 3, now to give out 3, now to give out 3. I'm on the floor, 20, now to give out 31, now to give out 2, 31, 32, 2, to give out 2, to give out 2, to give out 31, 32, 31, 32, 31, to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 2, to give on 2, 32, 3, 34, 33, now to give it in 4, to give on half, to give on 33, 34, 33, 34, now to give it in 4, to give on 5, 35, to give out 36, $3,500, now to give on half, to give out 35, half to give out 36, 3,500, 3,600, that's the one that had the post driver on her. 35, 36, now to give on half, to give out 35, 36, 35 to give up, half to give out 37, 37, 38, now to give 8, now to give 8, 37, now to give 8, now to give 8, 37, 38, now to give 8, now to give 8, now to give 8, now to give 8, 7, 8, 37, 38, 9, 39, 39, 4, 39 to give on 4, 39 to give on 4, 39 to give on 5 to give on 5 to give on 5 to give on 4, 39 to give on 4, 39 to give on 4, last and final call, 39 to give on 4. So 3,900 right here on the floor, and that number is 32. 30. That tractor had sat here. Man took it away from here and brought it back and run like it just come off the showroom floor. Runs good. Runs real good. All right, we got 900. Who give $1,000? 1,000, 11, 12. Now to get 1,200. Now to give in 12. To give on 13, 14. $1,300. Now to give on 14, 13, 14. 13. But to get 14. But to get 14. But to get 13, 14. 1,300, 1,400. 13. But to get 14. You can't get it paying for that. 1,400. 13, 14. 13, now to give out, to give it now 1,400, now 15, now 16, you're not in like 16, 17, 17, there got to be 17, 17, now to give 18, now to give 18, 17, but to give 18, 19, now but to give 2000, now to give 21, 21, now but to give 2, 22, 23, 22, but to give 3, but to give 3, 4, 24, 25, 25, how to give 6, 26, 7, now but to give 7, to give 7, to give 6, 7, 26, 27, 26, 27. 26 now, but to give 7, to give 7, to give 7, 26, 27. Josh, you want in? You got it running. You know all about it. 26, 7. Now, but to give 7, to give 7, to give 7, to give 7. You rake hay with it. 26, 7. He went back, Ike? So, 26 right here. And that goes to number 52. 52. All right, now the New Holland discbine. On the New Holland discbine, 1431, sitting right out there, been kept underneath cover. JJ's been under cover almost the whole time we've been here, haven't you? Yep, and so there you go. We got right here on the discbine, I got 11.8. Who'll give 12,000? 12,000. 12.2. 12.2, now to give out, to give about 2, 4. 12.4, 12.6, 12.6, 12.8, 13, Andrew, 13, now 2, now 4, 13.2, now to give out 4, 13.4, 13.2, 13.4. I'm on the floor at 13.2, now to give out 4, 4, now to give out 4, 13.2, but to give out 4, 13.2, but to give out 4, 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 13.2 and 4. 13.4, 13.4, so 13.2, 13.2, that's number 59.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.